In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see the Elo on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of the tutorials, we would like to see the Elo. Of course, there's two ways to see it. You can see it in your live game or after you finish your game. Here in your home screen, you'll find this section down here, completed games. Here, of course, you're gonna see your Elo and your opponent's Elo at that exact time. So as you can see, this game, that was my Elo, this game, that was my Elo, and etc. Of course, the Elo even of my opponent. If I want to go and play a game, let's just hover display on this left panel and click on play, and let's just start a game. As you can see, my Elo is 600 and my opponent's Elo is 722. As you can see, from here I can see the Elo and I'm going to be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.